Hi, I'm Nimmer. This is my 2015 bike check. Starting off the top, I got Odyssey power ends. I got Colt AK grips. I really like them. They're my favorite.
Fuck you!
They're soft.
That was rude.
And then I got 9 by 28.5 Primo rebars. And I got a Merit front load with a 50 reach. And then I got a Primo headset and Odyssey R25 fork, BSD WZA V3 with a 20.85 top tube and a 13 back end. Then I got a Demolition front wheel, just a complete one with the hub guards and 4.5 wide Primo pegs, metal. And then I got a Primo bottom bracket and some Primo, no, these are profile cranks. And I got shadow pedals and just a regular pivotal, because they're all the same. And then the Jake Seeley Sunday pivotal, I really like it. Then I have the Primo solid sprocket and Shadow interlock V2. Daily grind hub guards in the back, drive side and non-drive side. Primo pegs in the back, 4.5. Demolition rotator, 3 coaster wheel. I really like it. Got it for like 170 bucks, and it's been really good. And then I got blue BSD Donna Squeaks. 4.25 in the back, 2.25 in the back and 2.4 in the front. Bought these tires, my third pair. And that's it, and now I'll get some clips.
Watch what I'm doing. Broke these boys off 3-wheel, the ancient ruins. I tatted up back, I burn when I'm bored. Out of 3-wheel and jumped off a diving board. Sachets keep me cold, slide like Am Bison. Broke these hoes, I conceal handgun license. Oil swing diploma, got a peep of my persona. Out of shook dice with Larry Bird in Barcelona. Way down in Spain, selling no gimmicks. Broke these hoes off 3-wheel through the Olympics. I stole a torch, out of Boston stores, out of Wave Hood on Tiger Woods golf course. Or beat sevens with my damn baby pampers. I done went through traffic and disturbed TSU campus. It was a study group, smelling like juice. I can earn this Gibbons electric slide on my roof.
The one that's slightly indie cause they know me. Boys better pay me and these boys don't owe me. The one that's slightly indie cause they know me. Boys better pay me and these boys don't owe me. The one that's slightly indie cause they know me. Boys better pay me and these boys don't owe me. The one that's slightly indie cause they know me. Boys better pay me and these boys don't owe me.
Jumping down the air van, eyes like a Chinaman. Bladed on low purple relish, chopping like a ceiling fan. Cody feet cuffs on my head, styrofoam is China white. Tell the digits out the cost, the light of my press button and blind to sight. Teeth like a king's crown, holding on that 4